Now, we all associate Karens with asking for the manager, but what happens when you place this peculiar species in a court of law? Sorry, Karen, you can't ask for the manager in here, bud. Here's 10 minutes of Karens attempting to make a scene in court, only to get destroyed themselves. No Karen is above the law. Watch as this judge puts her in her place.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I would like to call...
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions. Ma'am, stop. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Yes or no? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney? You will not act disrespectful in this court. Do you understand, ma'am? You certainly may remain silent. Where is your attorney? Do we have an attorney?
I'm on here.
Sir?
The next Karen literally attacks a judge. Who's stupid enough to defy this judge in their own court? She probably brushed the assault off as, I was just trying to shake her hand.
Miss Hardwick,
No.
you will be held in contempt of this court if you become disruptive.
I don't care. I haven't done anything to this court. I haven't done anything to him.
She'll be arrested for contempt days for contempt of court. You go now.
This Karen falls down in slow motion as she screams for help like a baby. Now that's some Amber Heard level acting there.
I feel so attacked right now. I don't know what to do. Somebody please send help. I'm just so attacked. Help! He's the gavel. He's beating me.
Speaking of Amber Heard, this Karen should honestly be drafted into the NBA for her beautiful reaction.
Lower your voice, please. Control yourself.
Sitting just behind Vera DeWitt is Jen Schaefer, the city's Public Works Commission chairwoman. That's all.
Thank you. The next speaker is Marvin Clayton. Hey. Stop that woman from leaving the room. She should be arrested.
Karens really love testing their luck, and boy did this one get lucky. She falsely files a sanction in court despite having no case, and goes, I knew it was fixed, while clearly being full of it.
In pro per for my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on his what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking Mr. Nicoletti.
I haven't signed a PPO.
His petition for a PPO. Let me...
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but may...
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Ms. Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I said I knew it was fixed.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in contempt.
You thought the last one was lame? Watch this Karen go to extreme lengths to defend a theater shooter.
Mental illness is everything. I'm the biological mother. She's the surrogate. They took it away from me. And they adopted because they know they had mental illness. I tell you, all of my family's full of FBI. He's got guns in his blood. We need to know.
The sanction that I'm going to impose is 3 weeks in the Arapahoe County Jail. Take her away, Sheriff. Thank you.
Watch what happens when you try to act cute with the judge. This Karen certainly tries to be cheeky, but ends up saying adios to her freedom.
Morning, Minnesota. You're being charged with possession of Xanax. B-A-R-S. I don't know what that is. What is
bars. That? Xanax bars. How they refer to it.
Xanax bars. All right.
She has no priors. She's being charged per pill, which is improper. It should just be 1 count.
So, are you working?
Yes.
How much money are you making a week, approximately?
Approximately about $200 a week.
Okay, and do you own any property of value? A house, a car, a bank account, significant amounts of jewelry?
Yes.
What do you own?
I own a lot of jewelry, all right, as well as
Go ahead.
a car.
Well, how much would you say your jewelry is worth? It's not a joke, you know. We are not in a club now.
Okay, but it's
well, you see, we are not in a club. Be serious about it.
I'm serious about it.
You're being very. I can see you're serious, all right.
You just made me laugh. I apologize.
It's all right. How much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like Rick Ross.
Huh?
It's worth
Ma'am?
money.
Have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Actually, no. Okay, what is the standard bond?
Okay, 5,000 on count 1, and then the rest should be ROR.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, ma'am. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count 1 will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again. Bring him back again. I believe I heard you saying to...
Yes, I did. I'm not going to do
I believe you... Did you say...
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
Drinking and driving accidents are nothing to laugh at. And neither will this Karen after hearing about her punishment. Who's laughing now, Karen?
You are being taken into custody for criminal contempt. Your disruptive and disrespectful behavior disrupted today's proceedings, and you, ma'am, are going to the Wayne County Jail for 93 days for direct criminal contempt.
As for Amanda's mother, Donna, she spends the night in jail and appears before Judge Lillard the next morning. Donna seems to have learned a serious lesson from just one night behind bars.
Ms. Coulson, is there something you'd like to say?
Yes, I deeply apologize for what I did. I was under a lot of stress. And I deeply apologize for what I did in your court. I just needed to get out. And it's been very hard for me this year, and I know for the other family. And I'm so sorry for what I did. And I know it was wrong, and I apologize.